Welcome to Knowledge Base. We have a simple question here that says evaluate 98 factorial plus 99 factorial divided by 98 factorial. This is the question we have here. We are to solve this. What is factorial? Factorial is the factorial of a number, because you can see this is 98 factorial, means the factorial is of a number. So the factorial of a number is the multiplication of 1 and all the successive numbers up to that number and including that number. This is what I mean. If, for instance, we are told to evaluate 4 factorial, 4 factorial is simply 1 times 2 times 3 times 4. It means you start multiplying all the numbers before 4, beginning from 1. And also 4 will be included. So 4 factorial is equals to 1 times 2 times 3 times 4. 5 factorial will be 1 times 2 times 3 times 4 times 5. 6 factorial will be 1 times 2 times 3 times 4 times 5 times 6. That is what factorial is. Multiply 1 by times 2 times 3 continuously until you get to that number you are looking for its factorial. It is that simple. So now we want to evaluate this factorial. Now we have 98 factorial plus 99 factorial all over 98 factorial. To solve this, we want to put everything in the same factorial. 98, 98, this is 99. We want to make it 98 factorial as well. So we want to factor out 98 factorial from here so that we have 98 factorial at both all 98 factorial at both the numerator and denominator. How do we factorize 99 factorial? Let's come back to this again so that I'll show you something. If 4 factorial is equals to 1 times 2 times 3 times 4, you will agree with me that 1 times 2 times 3 is 3 factorial, right? So we can rewrite 4 factorial as 4 factorial equal to 3 factorial times 4, because 1 times 2 times 3 is 3 factorial, then times 4, which means we can break down 4 factorial into 3 factorial times 4 factorial. Now let's bring the logic into this and break this down into 98 factorial. It means we can break this down into 98 factorial plus 98 factorial times 99. Just the way we had 3 factorial times 4, we can break 99 factorial into 98 factorial times 99. Everything is divided by 98 factorial. Now at the numerator, you can see that 98 factorial is now common to both sides. So we can factor out 98 factorial, and that becomes 98 factorial into 98 factorial will give us 1. 98 factorial will cancel out 98 factorial, will be left with 99. Everything divided by 98 factorial. What you just need to do is to divide 98 factorial, divide 98 factorial, will be left with what? 1 plus 99. 1 plus 99, which means the simple answer to this question is 100. It is very, very simple, and I believe you enjoyed this. Now try this simple one. 38 factorial plus 38 times 39 times 37 factorial divided by 38 factorial. When you get the answer, please put it in the comment section. Thank you very much for watching this video, and see you in the next video.